Welcome students, I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, you all enjoying your online classes, right? Okay, without any delay, we'll move on to the class. In previous class, we have seen about the kingdom and the administration condition, hospitality and the economic condition. Okay, in today's class, we are going to see about the conditions of women during the Sangam age. Okay, you all know that in past the women were treated different and in present the women were treated different. Now you are going to see about the condition during the Sangam age. So during the Sangam age, the women were treated well in society. That is, they were respected in the society and they were so brave. That means it is equals to men's bravery. Okay? In Purananuru, we see that a woman sending a father for a battle, and in the first day she lost a father in a battle, and without thinking that she was sending her husband for a battle, and in the second day she was losing her husband in a battle. Despite of every loss, what she is doing, she is preparing herself to send her own son for the next day in a battle. This is all about the woman in Purananuru. And you all know that woman was so brave, right? During Sangam age. To prove that, what a woman was doing here, she was drawing a ferocious tiger with a moram in her hand. Okay, so this proves a braveness. Okay, next we are going to see about the woman in past and in present. In past, you all know a woman was inside the kitchen and were doing only kitchen activities which she has to do. She was not sent out for a work, right? But here in present, what happening? All your mother, you can see, right? All your mothers, what they are doing, they are going for different jobs. That too in different field they are working, right? For example, they are going for office. Some of your mother will be a teacher. This is all about the conditions of women. Okay, next we are going to see about the festival. You all know various festival, right? We are going to see a famous festival or important festival during Sangam age. The first one was Kartigai. So Kartigai, you all know, during Kartigai you'll be lighting a house with diyas. So Kartigai is a festival of light and mostly the Hindus will be celebrating this festival. And we know Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka and Kerala will be celebrating this festival. And which month they'll be celebrating this festival? Can you guess it? Yes, the month of Kartigai, which you can see this month in the Tamil calendar. Okay, this is one of the most important festival which is celebrated during the Sangam period. Okay, the next important festival was Harvest Festival. Okay, this Harvest Festival is nothing but it is the annual celebration of harvest. Okay, so harvest, when they'll do this harvest, when the crop is grown well, they'll be harvesting the crops, right? Though that time they'll be celebrating this festival. Harvest festival, what they'll do, they'll take that first yield of crop and they'll be celebrating by cooking that and dancing around that while cooking. Okay, this festival is celebrated by a group of people in a village or some region where the crops were cultivated. So we'll see some more important crops through the video. I hope everyone will be enjoying that video. I'm Lord Indra. Farmers were used to worship me as a god of the rains. They celebrated as a festival called Indra Villa during the Sangam age, 2nd century BC to 3rd century AD, to please me. They used to worship me for rain, thunder and lightning, and will remove the difficulties and danger to those who celebrate it. This is all about Indravila festival. Tiruvadira festival. This festival, celebrated in the Indian states of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, it is mostly celebrated by Hindu. And in Tamil, it means scared big wave, using which this universe was created by Lord Shiva about 132 trillion years ago. I guess everyone understood the festival and the conditions of women, right? Okay. Now the PDF is given for you. You can read that and do your worksheet. Thank you, children. We'll meet in next class.